Creating folders is a great way to organize your stuff on a MacBook Pro or a Mac or an iMac, whichever Apple product you have. It's also very, very easy. If you're using a mouse, all you have to do is in the desktop screen, you just right-click on any empty space, and then you see the new folder icon, and then you left-click, and a new folder is created. Now, you can actually start typing in the name for the new folder right away, and it'll delete the untitled folder. So I'll say this is new folder 2, and press return or enter on my keyboard. And there you go, a new folder is deleted. Now, if you created too many folders and you want to delete one, all you have to do is right-click on that folder and left-click on Move to Trash. And then it'll go in your trash. Of course, remember to empty your trash. So right-click on Trash, left-click on Empty Trash, and you're done. Now, let's say you wanted to create a new folder another way. The other way to do it is to go up to here in your Finder window and choose File and New Folder. But sometimes people don't see these options right here, and I'll tell you why they don't see them. Let's say I have a file open. Let's just say I've got Safari open here, and I'm going to shrink it down. So Safari is still open, and you can see it right here, but it's shrunk down, hidden in my little area there. What do you do when another program is up here and you can't get to creating a new folder? Very easy. Just left click on an empty space on your desktop, and there you go. Finder is back. Once you're here, just left click on File, then left click on New Folder. And the same situation happens. Then you can just start typing test folder, and you're done. Now, let's say I'm going to right click and then left click and move to trash. If you want to, you can also hold down, you can actually do this really cool technique I love. I'll left click on the folder, and on my keyboard I'll hold down the command key, which should be right beside your space bar, and then I will, while I'm holding that command key down, the upper right part of your folder, I'll click on the delete button, and that automatically takes it straight to the trash. And then I can right click and left click empty trash, or if I want to be really fancy, I'll hold down the shift key, the command key, and then I'll press the delete key. And you can see that empty trash is already there. So that's a really cool way to do it. Now I'm going to show you one more thing. Let's say I'm in a folder and I want to create a new folder in that folder. You have to take a look at all the columns that are there. Whatever is the column that is closest to the test folder, so this column right here, is where the empty space here is where you want to right click and then left click New Folder if you want to put a subfolder in that folder. Test 2, and press return or enter. And now anything you put in this folder is going to go into this column right here. But if I want objects to still go into this one, I have to deselect this test folder. So all I have to do is left click in the empty space, and that's deselected. So basically, anytime a folder is highlighted, it's telling you that the column to its right is where anything is going to go. And that's everything for folders.